Walmart. Guys, can you see this weather? This is bad.
This is bad to my
No,
toes.
isn't it? This is some bad weather. This weather is so bad. Nobody can even go outside.
No one can even go outside.
God, look, it's been lightning, thundering, and raining all day. When me and the mother have been here all day, and it's been raining. It's bad to be by windows. It's bad to be outside. Bad to have your TVs and electronic on, lights on, and everything. Cause that can cause to let it out. You know, Mama. You know that.
And you know the way to on yourself. You can get it on. You can play the car thing to get this. You can play the car and play car back. You can play car and golf cards. And the dog!
Watch this, guys. He's gonna get scared.
What dog?
It's a ghost, Mama. Get up from under the covers. This weather is so bad. You won't even.
There is no ghost. There's no ghost.
That's it for today.
There is no ghost. Bye. There is no ghost.
That's the video.
There is no
Don't forget
ghost.
to watch the Life with Dominique Davis. Premieres Saturday, August 16th on YouTube.